many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Janvi Jadhav, and I'm a zoology graduate and birder from the Naturalist Foundation, and I'm going to lead your trail today. The location that we have come to is Bhandu Pumping Station. It's right between our city, and it's a paradise. Why is it so? It's because of its habitats. इधर हमें एक नहीं दो नहीं तीन तीन टाइप के हैबिटेट्स मिलते हैं, which is the salt pan and mangroves of course जो अंदर होंगे, and a little grassland. We get to see many types of birds, especially waders. Waders in the sense जो पानी के पास होने वाले birds होते हैं. हाँ मुझे दिख गया.
I can still spot them because one is there on the
the one is there.
Yeah, the swan is like a swan. Just from wait. And like the tail. I want to spot a lion.
There are sandpipers
How much?
as well.
Dream of peace of mind, I dream of love, supernatural love, and everything I have makes me long for
The cormorant here.
more. I long for
When he's swimming.
Yeah.
Swimming.
It's a little cormorant. Yeah, it's a wader fishing bird. You can see it
The sand pe na, the one is lying on the sand.
We have all
Let's go.
So all this is called as biomimicry. We are mimicking.
Yeah, the nature.
Sorry. So biomimicry is mimicking from the biological world into our world.
This is the hibiscus flower.
so many dreams, yeah, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream, they dream, we dream. Cause you don't be satisfied for what we have.
आप खाना पका रहे हो? Nice. इधर ही रहते हो आप लोग? अच्छा, ये सॉल्ट कौन बना रहा है?
हे तुम्हाला माहित आहे का कसं बनवतात ते? नाही कोण बनवते हे? तिकडे खालती आहेत का?
See auntie cooking food. What is she cooking? क्या पका रहे हो? चावल. अच्छा. Yeah, she's cooking चावल.
Now we absorb film, salt pans and water salt.
And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah.
That oxygen level on the same
They have to come out.
oxidation बाहर से.
Let me tell the kids. Hey, hello, guys. Children, see.
Over there? Yes. But you know what? Why they up and not down? We can be down.
Because they need oxygen. Yes, so smart. They need oxygen. And this is the distinguishing feature of a mangrove.
Grows day by day, and I pray to Allah to guide me on the way.
What you guys seen?
Just see the bird.
A bird.
It was white in color.
I wish to see you be my crush, 'cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the protect my heart and be with him in on this side, we are just passing by like a river from the